Kachina. We've got Kachina, and we're gonna go say hi to the goats. Well, this afternoon, it's just me and my little one. Oh, there he is. And, this is Dot, our friendly chicken. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Yeah, you wanted me to pet you? Well, you usually do. You're sweet. You are Scarlett's favorite, right? I don't have food right now. The turkeys follow me. This is Mama Milky and her baby Lulu. They are never out of sight, so she won't go in without her baby. She's like, my baby. Oh, I guess she will go in. This is little Lulu. They're very standoff. They won't let me touch. There's that chicken. Come on, Lulu, go inside. Here, Kachina, let her go inside. See? Mama's right there. Waiting for little Lulu. Yep, there she goes. Go get your baby. Go get your baby. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go inside. Thank you. Little Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Yep, here's that chicken. Dot, you are just so, yep, you are so nosy. Oreo, hi. Inky. They're sisters. They're both a year old. Kendra and Finch. Mama. Right there. And Kendra's the daughter, but Finch is the mama. I'm in potty right now. But she's the mama to Kendra and to Oreo. And there's a dog in here. There's a cat over there. These two little girls. She's mama. Yeah. Kendra's got blue, pretty eyes. These two are the friendliest ones. Yes, you are. They always think I have food. Very food motivated. There's a drink. Miss Dolly is a Nubian Boar mix. She's only a couple months old. Dolly! This girl. Yes, and what's your name? Kachina. Oh gosh, you're knocking me over. Kachina's lovely. Yes, she is. These are her goats. Okay, here we have Savage. Savage is a Nigerian dwarf, and he's our only male. I need to separate him soon, and I'm getting him a weathered goat friend, so he's not alone. And then he will live in that area right there for a little while until we can expand our fence line or let him roam free when the girls are put away. But right now he's not too much of a buckling, so he can stay out. But that's Mr. Savage from, we've been watching a lot of Survivor, and I really liked Andrew Savage. Hey, Dolly. Want some food? She is a climber. I know most goats are, but she's the #1 climber. She's Nubian, Boar, and all of the other ones are Nigerian dwarf. So they hang out in this little area, but sometimes they keep the gate open and they're allowed to roam the 2 acres. They just choose not to, but they're allowed to. They don't really escape or jump the fence. She might. I think she has. And Kachina definitely has been locked in there and then jumps over the 4-foot gate. But she roams the property. She protects She protects everyone and makes it so I don't have to lock everyone up at night. Yeah. So my goats live with the chickens. I was grabbing eggs and I found a surprise. Hello, do you have eggs for me? No? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Look, she does have eggs. Can I have those? Or are you gonna, we don't have a rooster. I'll come back. Kachina is such a good dog. She is. She protects us. She's almost 2. She's very sweet, very loving. The only person she has a problem with is the house husky. So we just try to keep them separated for now until Kachina probably will claim her dominance, her alpha, be the alpha girl. But that's her spot. She watches our house. And then she hangs out with the goats and watches the chickens. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah? We love you. Good girl.